Good morning, dear students. Last class we were dealing with recurrence relation, that is obtaining of expected frequency or theoretical frequencies. Okay, one problem I have solved. So next second problem I am solving for you. So same like that only we have to solve. For the following data, fit binomial distribution and obtain expected frequency. Okay, expected frequency means here table is given. So that time you have to apply recurrence relation. Okay, so let us start the problem. First you have to write x denotes number of frequency in the sample of 5. Sample of 5. How many samples are there? 5. So first step is to find mean. So we'll find mean. So we need x column, frequency column. Okay, so x same I'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. F column write same 1, 16, 48, 68, 51, 16. Okay, so what is the mean formula? Yes, mean formula right here. So x bar is equal to summation fx divided by n. Now here n means total of frequency. N is 200. Summation f or total of n. Okay, now we need fx. So here extra column we have to prepare, that is fx. Okay, so multiply this. 0 1s are 0, 16 1s are 16, 48 2s are 96, 68 into 3 204, 51 into 4 204, 16 5s are 80. So total there you will get summation fx. Okay, so total is 600. Okay, now solve mean. Summation fx is 600, n is 200. So 600 divided by 200, mean is how much? Mean is 3. 0 cancel, 0, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, now next step, write all the, find p value, q value now. Okay, so therefore in binomial distribution, mean means mean is equal to x bar, right? X bar, what is the formula in binomial distribution mean formula? NP. Okay, so NP means what? Mean. Okay, so now fill the values here. So by this formula we can remove p value, okay, or p formula. So p is equal to x bar divided by n. Okay, so what, how to find p? P is equal to x bar is 3, small n is 5. So what is the p value? P is equal to 3 by 5. P is equal to 0.6. Right. By this, if you know the value of p, you know the value of q. Q is equal to 1 minus p. So 1 minus p, p value is 0.6. So what is q value? Q is equal to 0.4. And n value you know, n is equal to 5. Right. So now next step is to write down the probability mass function. Therefore the probability mass function PMF is, at the formula, P of x is equal to NCx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. Now you know the value of n, p, q. Put the values. N p of x is equal to n value is how much? 5. 5 cx. P value is 0.6 raised to x. Q value 0.4 raised to 5 minus x. Okay, where x is how much? X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 till n. Means x value is how much? N value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N value is 5. X can be 0, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. Okay, so to find the recurrence, we have to find p of 0. First find p of 0. P of 0 means p of x value is 0. So put here value 5C0, 0.6 raised to 0 and 0.4 raised to 5 minus 0. 5C0 is 1 into 0.6 raised to 0 is 1 into 0.4, 5 minus 0 is 5. So multiply 1 into 0.4 raised to 5 answer. So it comes to about 0.01024. Okay, so answer is 0.01024. P of 0 answer. Okay, then by this P of 0, you can find T0 answer, base answer. Okay, so n into P of 0. What is n? Total of n is how much? Capital N, 200. Okay, see here, capital N is 200 and P of 0 you got P of 0 0.01024. Okay, so multiply this, so we'll get the value of T of 0. T of 0 is equal to 2.048. It means round figure T0 is equal to 2. Okay, so by using this now, using this recurrence relation, calculate the remaining values. Okay, therefore using recurrence relation or will obtain or calculate the remaining value. Means remaining value means T1, T2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes. First I'll write the formula, main formula, recurrence formula. Tx is equal to n minus x plus 1 divided by x into p divided by q into t x minus 1. Okay, now one by one we'll solve. T0 we know. Now T1. What is n? 5. 5 minus x value is 1. 5 minus 1 plus 1 divided by 1. P value is 0.6 divided by 0.4 into T1 minus 1. Right. Now solve next. How much it will come? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 5. Okay, 5 divided by 1 is 5 only into 0.4 divided by 0.6 divided by 0.4 is 1.5 into T1 minus 1 is, yes, so 5 into 1.5 into T0 value, you know, T0 value is 2, right? So finally multiply, T1 answer is 15.36. It means T1 answer round figure 15. T1 is 15. Okay. Now find T2. Okay. By using this formula, we'll find T2. T2 is equal to, now n value is, x value is 2. 5 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 2 into 0.6 divided by 0.4 into T2 minus 1. Yes, here 5 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so into 0.6 divided by 0.4 is always 1.5 into t. 2 minus 1 is t1. Here 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 2 into 1.5 and t1 value, yes, t1 value is 15. t1 value is 15, right? So 4 2 1s are 2 2s are, so 2 into 1.5 into 15 is, we'll get the value of t2 is equal to t2 is 45. I'll round figure directly now. Okay, next find t3. Yes, t3 means x value is 3 now. 5 minus 3 plus 1 divided by 3 into 0.6 divided by 0.4 into t3 minus 1. So here 5 minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by 3 into 0.6 divided by 0.4 is 1.5 into t3 means 3 minus 1 is t2. Yes, here it becomes 3 divided by 3 into 1.5 into t2 value is 45. Okay, next here this cancel, so remains 1.5 into 45. So t3 value is 67.5. It means t3 value is 68. Round figure it. Okay, next t4 we have to find. So t4 is equal to, x value is 4 now. 5 minus 4 plus 1 divided by 4 into 0.6 divided by 0.4 into t4 minus 1. Yes, 5. Here minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 divided by 4 into 1.5 into 4 minus 1, 3. Yes, here 2 divided by 4 into 1.5 into t3 is here 68. Okay, so 2 1s are 2 2s are half. Half means 0.5 into 1.5 into 68. So t4 answer is approximately, all right, 51. Okay, direct round figure I'll make. Yes, t4 is still t5 we needs. So t5 means x value is 5 now. 5 minus 5 plus 1 divided by 5 into 0.6 divided by 0.4 into t5 minus 1. Yes, here minus 5 plus 1 is 5 minus 4 divided by 5. Okay, into 1.5 into t5 minus 1 is 4. Yes, 5 minus 4 1. 1 divided by 5 into t4 answer. Yes, t4 answer is 51. So 1 divided by 5 is 0.2 into 1.5 into 51. So answer for t5 is 15 point something. So round figure is 15. Okay, so here completes all the recurrence. Okay, so we have to prepare a table. X value, either you prepare like this or like this. X, we need x given frequency and theoretical frequencies. Okay, so draw the lines for this table. How many are there? 5, means 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 for total. Okay. Yes. Write the x values from 0 to 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frequencies as given in the problem: 1, 16, 48, 68, 51, 16. So total n is 200. Right. Now theoretical frequencies write on. T1 is 15. Similarly write T2. T2 is how much? T2 is 45, 68, 51. 45, 68, 51. Sorry. T0 answer we need, no? First T0 is 2. T1 is 15. T2 is 45. T3 is 68. T4 is 51. And T5 is 50. Okay. So total this you will get 200 only. It should get same only. Okay. I hope you have understood this expected frequencies or theoretical frequencies, how to solve when table is given using recurrence relation. Okay. I'll give one practice problem to solve for you. Okay. Just solve it and let's see that answer is C. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you.